I think we can all agree that for the last 2 years, using Face ID with your mask on has been a pain. Every time you try to unlock your phone with Face ID while wearing a mask, of course, it's not going to work, and most of the time you'll be forced to pull down your mask, or eventually you'll have to use the passcode. And that for me has been a problem, and I've been wondering when Apple will address this. Now, fortunately, they have, or they will, depending on whether you already have the iOS 15.4 version. Currently, for this tutorial, I'm using the public beta, but this is exactly how we expect it to work. So with iOS 15.4 installed, all you need to do is go to Settings. On the Settings page, you want to scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on that, and of course you need to enter your passcode before you can change anything in the Face ID and Passcode section. On the Face ID and Passcode page, you should now see a new option that says Use Face ID with a mask. So tap on that toggle button, and then go ahead and tap on Use Face ID to set it up. And this time it's going to take a new scan of your face, and mostly it's going to concentrate on the upper part of your face that does not have a face mask. So you'll need to scan your face one more time. And once that's done, you can simply tap on Done, and now you can be able to use Face ID with a mask on. No problems at all. When you want to unlock your phone, it's going to unlock with no problem at all. And you can even use this with Apple Pay or M-Pesa if you're in Kenya, and any other service that uses Face ID will now work whether you're wearing a face mask or not. And that's basically how to enable, or rather how to use Face ID with a mask on your iPhone. Now, disclaimer, this only works with iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 running iOS 15.4 or later version. So even if you have iOS 15.4, but you have an older iPhone like iPhone 11 or iPhone 10, unfortunately this is not going to work. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.